Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use time tracking in Monday.com, so let's get started. First, go to Monday.com and click the Login button in the top right corner. Over here, sign in using your Google account or enter your email and password, then log in. After that, once you're logged in, open the board you want to work on. Then move to the last column of the board and click the plus icon. Over here, click on More Columns and wait for the search bar to appear. After that, type Time Tracking in the search bar and add the Time Tracking column to your board. Then, look at the new column and click the blue Play button inside any cell to start the timer. Over here, the timer will begin tracking time for that specific task. After that, if you want to use a countdown timer instead, click directly on the cell and switch the mode. Then, to manually add time, click on Add Session Manually. Over here, enter the date and time for the session you want to log. After that, click Add Session and the time will be saved successfully. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.